Hey guys, Funtime Zombies back with another video, and today, as I want to bring the news out, telling y'all to help my friend MadChicken 100 out and help his channel grow. So, I want you to do is go to visit his channel. The link is in the description. So, it's a little vlog video. I just want to help my friend MadChicken 100 out by y'all subbing, liking, and watching all his videos. Yeah, it's gonna be a good friend in doing this for him. At school, I promised him that I'm gonna get this video after school, helping him. So I want to bring the news out to y'all from this channel to whoever watching this. So it'd be a big help for me and MadChicken 100 if you sub to MadChicken 100. Like, sub to him, watch his videos, like his videos, for me and him. So I should bring the news out, and Zombie Boy or Funtime Zombie is out. Goodbye.